Alright guys, in today's video of VinylCut, we'll be looking at how to skew an object. But let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We have a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also we upload them daily, so just keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, we're back in the program here. Now the skewing effect is yeah, it can be quite a handy one on various projects. And then we have skewing to the horizontal and vertical axis. So in order to do that, let's first undo this one. So I would say it's probably the most popular way of doing it is you first select your shape, which obviously you just click on it, or if it's grouped like this, or if it's not grouped and you have a few shapes, just drag a selection box over it. Make sure it passes all the edges, otherwise it will not select it. So over all of them, you can also select it here on your layers tab by just clicking on it, or you can keep shifting when you use your selection box, and then whatever this box touches will be selected. Otherwise, the next thing we want to do is make sure our selection tool is enabled. So this little arrow or mouse cursor. Then we go to the handles and we set from basic to advanced. Now if you hover on top of the horizontal and vertical little dots here, you will see these two little icons appear with two arrows pointing, this one left and right and this one up and down. So now if we have it where it's hovering there, then you click and hold. Then when you move your mouse, you can see it skews it to the sides. Then if we do it on the vertical plane or axis, we can skew it in that way. But let's say you need a specific amount, then what you can always do is we go to on top here to object, top menu, go to arrange, then we want to go to rotate, and under the rotate we're going to go from the rotate option here from angle to skew. Sorry, my bad. And now you can set in the values. And then if you want to preview it, you can, let's say you've set an amount, you click apply. Then if you had to click cancel, it will not apply that for you. Another way we can do that is we right click, go to arrange, and then we go to rotate. You'll see it keeps the previous values there, so you can easily just click apply again. And then so the first one is your horizontal and the second one's vertical. So if we set the vertical, click apply, then we can see the change take effect. Otherwise, yeah, that is it on the skewing shapes and objects. Otherwise, if we navigate to vinylcut.co.za, the program is freely available there. Just head to the downloads page. Otherwise, on the softwaretraining.co.za, in this program, or should I say, we cover this program and more, as you can see here. Also, we have a search option if you want to isolate your search. And if you don't find what you're looking for, just go here, request a training video, and then we'll make that for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.